In this problem, we need to find the first four terms in the sequence given by this expression here. Remember, the domain of a sequence are the positive integers, so n equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So all we have to do is find the first four terms. So we're going to start with n equals 1. My first term, written as a sub 1, equals negative 1 to the first power, all divided by 3 times 1 plus 1. So remember, what I'm doing is I'm putting n equals 1 here and n equals 1 here. So I get negative 1 to the first power is negative 1, over 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1. So I have negative 1 over 4. So that's my first term. My second term, n equals 2. So the second term equals negative 1 to the nth power, n is 2, over 3 times n, which is 2, plus 1. So I get negative 1 squared is positive 1, over 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1, which gives me 1 over 7. Next term, n equals 3. The third term is negative 1 to the nth power, n is 3, so negative 1 cubed over 3 times n is 3, plus 1. So negative 1 to the third power, an odd number of negatives means it's negative 1, over 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1. So it is negative 1 over 10. Last term we have to figure out is when n equals 4. The fourth term is negative 1 to the fourth power over 3 times 4 plus 1. So negative 1 to the fourth power, an even number of negatives is positive, so it's positive 1. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1, so it is 1 over 13. So the sequence given by negative 1 to the nth power divided by 3n plus 1 gives me the terms negative 1/4, positive 1/7, negative 1/10, and positive 1/13. And something interesting to notice about this sequence is if we have a negative 1 raised to the nth power, look what it does to the signs of the terms. They alternate between positive and negative.